welcome back to another video of EIS cheat code series, and today we'll be covering the entire second chapter, as second chapter has only 20 answers having head points and cheat codes. So let's begin with the first answer. Explain master data and types of master data. So the cheat code is PISA. So how to remember this cheat code? The old age master जी जो रहते थे, उन लोग पिज़्ज़ा को पिज़्ज़ा नहीं पिसा बोलते थे, पिसा. So master and PISA. So PISA stands for payroll master, inventory master, statutory master, and accounting master. This is not the second question is not a partially a question, but it is moreover an MCQ. That is, explain accounting flow in brief. So it is divided into two categories. One is where the humans fill in information, and the other is where the software takes over the part. So TV PBT is the cheat code, that is transactions and voucher entry which are done by the humans. Transactions and voucher entry which are done by the humans. Then posting, balancing, and trial balance is done by the software, and a PNL and balance sheet is formed. Why separate front end and back end software? Why not only one? So the cheat code for this is domain language USP. Domain language USP. What is this basically about? This shows that why do we need separate front end and separate back end software. So the cheat code is domain language USP. And please give the example of restaurant, waiter, and cook. It is one of the important examples when you write this answer. So why separate front end and back end software, and why not only one? So the cheat code is domain language USP, that is domain expertise. Language, U stands for user experience, S stands for speed, and P stands for presentation. What is three-tier architecture? So this is an interesting question. Three-tier architecture. So the cheat code is application operates database. What does three-tier architecture do? Three-tier architecture do. What does three-tier architecture do? Three-tier architecture shows that application operates database. Application layer, operating system layer, and database layer. While assigning access to different users, the following options are available. While assigning access to different users, the following options are available. Here you have two cheat codes. One is cap view and other is create data, view data, alter data, and print data. So whom will you provide access? Whom will you provide access? To which user will you provide access? To the users wearing cap. Which color cap? Green color cap. To the users wearing cap. To whom would you provide access? To which user are you going to provide access? To the user wearing cap. So the cheat code is cap view or create data, view data, alter data, or print data. So C stands for create, A stands for alter, P stands for print, and view. This is a gem of a question as it contains about 3 questions together. The first question is explain difference between installed and cloud-based application. Second question is explain advantages and disadvantages of installed application. And third question is explain advantages and disadvantages of cloud-based application. So the cheat code is I am data PDF. I stands for installed and maintenance. A stands for accessibility, M stands for mobile application, D stands for data storage, P stands for performance, D stands for data security, and F stands for flexibility. Now let's link the cheat code with the question. What do you do on cloud-based application? You import or export the data PDF, the data and PDF. What do you upload on cloud-based application? You all upload your data and PDF. And in order to remember about the disadvantages and advantages, you'll just have to write this cheat code in a form, and in case of installed, you'll have to start with D, that is 3 D's, D, A, and D. And in case of cloud-based application, it's opposite, A, D, A. Just write the cheat code as it is, and it's so simple to identify the advantages and disadvantages too. This is one of the humongous answer. Explain the benefits of an ERP system. So ask the question, who uses ERP system? Who uses ERP system in India? This is not true, but let's just say RBI. Who? RBI. RBI uses ERP system. So the cheat code is RBI OUR RBI 3. RBI OUR RBI 3. RBI OUR RBI 3. So explain the benefits of an ERP system. So the question is, who uses ERP system? RBI. The cheat code is RBI OU RBI 3. R stands for reduction of lead time, B stands for better customer satisfaction, I stands for information integration, O stands for on-time shipment, U stands for use of latest technology, R stands for reduction in cycle time, R stands for reduced quality cost, B stands for better analysis and planning capabilities, I stands for improved supply performance. And those three is nothing but Roman number, that is 3 I's. 3 I's. So increased flexibility, improved resource utilization, and improved information accuracy and decision making. Risk and controls associated with people issues. Risk and controls associated with people issues. What is the major issue that people have? What is the major issue that people have? That is TC on CST station. CST station. I know it's sarcastic, but yeah. What's the major issues that people have? TC on CST station. That is TC on CST. That is training, change of management, consultants, staff turnover, top management support. Risk and controls associated with technological issues. So your question should be, how will you rectify these issues? How will you rectify these issues? And the answer is enhanced technological software application. Enhanced technological software application. Enhanced technological software and application. So risk and controls associated with technological issues. You should ask, how will you rectify these issues? So the answer is enhanced technological software and application. That is enhancement and upgrades, technological obsolescence, software functionality, and application portfolio management. Risk and controls associated with other implementation issues. Risk and controls associated with other implementation issues. The cheat code is dis lengthy data. Dis lengthy data. That is data access, so insufficient funding, speed of operation, system failure, lengthy implementation time, and data safety. Explain summarized auditing aspects in case of an ERP system. This answer doesn't have a cheat code, but it is basically a logical answer. So I'll be explaining you. So auditing can be of two types. Auditing can be of the data we are putting in, and auditing can be of the process. In audit, we study test of details and test of controls. So auditing of process is nothing but test of controls, and auditing of data is nothing but test of details, which is further divided into physical safety and access control. And in case of auditing of process, it is further divided into functional audit and input validation. Now you all will be thinking, this it's done, like explain the accounting process flow. This we have done above. All must be thinking this, but there is a difference between both the questions. Read the question. Explain accounting flow in brief, and this question is explain accounting process flow. Process flow. Explain accounting process flow. So this can also be a good question. So how does the process of accounting start? It starts with a source document. From there we pass journal entries. From there we make a ledger account. Then from there we make trial balances. Then comes adjustment. Then we make a adjusted trial balance. From there we pass the closing entries, and then we make the financial statement. So the process is very easy. Start off with source document, journal entries, ledger, trial balance, adjustment, adjusted trial balance, closing entries, and financial statement. Now from here onwards, there are some answers which you all will have to write in the flow, as it is a process, explaining a process. So we'll start. Explain sales and distribution process. Explain sales and distribution process. So for this, the cheat code is pre-sales inventory material was billed and received. Pre-sales inventory material was billed and received. In order for you to sell, you all need to have pre-sales inventory and material that you're going to sell, and you all have to keep it billed and received. So the cheat code is pre-sales inventory material was built and received. That is pre-sales activity, sales order, inventory sourcing, material delivery, billing, receipt from customers. Explain the process in production planning module. So the cheat code is very funny. Everyone knows Mahendra Singh Dhoni, that is MSD07. So महेंद्र सिंह धोनी प्योर मिल्क एंड कर्ड प्रोडक्शन. जैसे प्रोडक्शन वर्ड सुना तुम लोग को महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का तबेला याद आना चाहिए. दैट इज मिल्क एंड कर्ड प्रोडक्शन. दैट इज महेंद्र सिंह धोनीज प्योर मिल्क एंड कर्ड प्रोडक्शन. मास्टर डेटा, SOP, DRP, दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, प्रोडक्शन प्लानिंग, MRP, capacity planning and product cost planning. Next question. This is also an interesting question. Explain process showing overall purchase order. The cheat code is PEEP, and to be precise, it is like peep meep. So the cheat code is peep meep. So remember the spelling of PEEP, that is PEAEPMIPP. So, and this is a logical answer. So it will start from request from purchase department, from production department. Sorry, let me change it. So it will start from a requisition from purchase production department. You will evaluate the requisition, then ask for quotations, then you will evaluate the quotations you got, then you will place the purchase order, material receipt, issue of material, purchase invoice, and payment to vendor. Write a short note on quality management module. So first you will plan the quality you want, then you will control it, then you will assure it, and you will improve it. So first you will plan the quality you want, you will control it, you will assure it, and you will improve it. So quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and quality improvement. Explain key benefits of a CRM module. Who uses CRM module? Who uses CRM module? The answer is IIM. So the cheat code will link in, that is IIM's better optimization. Explain the key benefits of CRM module. You will ask the question, who uses CRM module? IIM uses CRM module. For what purpose? For better optimization. For better optimization. For what purpose? For better optimization. So IIM uses CRM module for better optimization. IIM's better optimization. That is improve customer relation, increase customer revenue, maximize upselling and cross-selling, better internal communication, optimize marketing. Explain criteria to make information most useful in MIS. Explain criteria to make information most useful in MIS. For information to be useful, it should be star. It should be star. So it is very clear and easy to link this cheat code. That is, explain the criteria to make information most useful in MIS. So for the information to be most useful, it is must that it should be star. That is structured, timely, accurate, relevant. Explain important features of XBRL. Now, don't take it in a wrong way. It is a joke. Who made us known to XBRL? Who made us known to XBRL? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So it is also known, XBRL is also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Technology. That is CSMT. That is clear definition, strong software support, multilingual support, and testable business rules. Now the last question for this video, and this is again an interesting question, and it has about 3 questions in itself. That is, differentiate between using same software for accounts and tax compliance and only tax compliance, or explain advantages and disadvantages of software for account and tax compliance, and explain disadvantages and advantages of only tax compliance. So the cheat code is feet cost. So how will you differentiate between both the types of software? So the main differentiation will be cost. So remember the cheat code, feet cost. That is features and facilities, ease of software operations, accuracy, time and efforts required, and cost. And if you remember the earlier differentiation, therein we started with triple D, triple A, and then again D, and then triple A, triple D, and then again A. Here we have double D, double A, double D, double A, and D, double A, double D, and A. So it's very clear to remember this advantages and disadvantages along with the cheat code and the headings, that is DDAAD in case of accounts and tax, and in case of only tax compliance it's AADDAA. So thank you for this video, and now in the next video I will be coming back with the first chapter, I guess, or the fourth chapter, whichever is feasible. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.